Hello, my name is Angelina Zlutsky, and I am a member of Auburn Junior City Council. Here today with me is Council Member Mr. Claude DeCoursey. Hi.
Hi, Angelina. How are you today?
I'm good. How are you?
Doing fine, thank you.
So, how did you decide to become a council member?
It's something I thought about quite a few years ago. I've been in Auburn for a little less than 10 years, and I've had an interest of being on city council. But I was also a late bloomer, so I decided to go back to school and get my master's degree first. So I didn't graduate from a master's degree until 2011 from Seattle University. So I picked up my master's degree in public administration, which kind of fits pretty well with what we do here in the city. And then one afternoon I had a conversation with Councilman Pelozza, who I've known for a while, and asked Bill if he thought it'd be a good idea if I would run for city council because I was interested in it. And he said, absolutely, don't think about it, do it. So it kind of jumped me forward and gave me that push to go ahead and run for council.
That's awesome. What are the things you're most proud of, and what do you want to see in the future here?
I think for me, what I'm most proud of in this city is to see the growth and direction the city has taken even in the short time I've been here. You know, there's been a lot of positive activity, as we see just across the street from City Hall, the new building that's going to be up with a new residential complex here downtown, some of the new businesses that are coming into town, and some of that vibrant economic development. Okay. So those are things that I look at for the future because we're looking at future generations and what we can leave to future generations and kind of spur that next wave of development in the community.
When you're not busy with all your city council work, what do you do in your free time?
I have a day job. So I'm the Director of Capital Construction for the King County Housing Authority, at least for the next 9-10 months. I'll be retiring shortly. But I've been with the Housing Authority for 15 years, and I have a staff of 22 people there. So it keeps me pretty busy, in addition to now my council duties, which Mayor Backus told me when I was running for city council, it'd be the best full-time, part-time job you've ever had. And she wasn't kidding. So it takes a lot of time. Other than that, my spare activities, I play guitar, and I've had a lot of fun with my 9 grandchildren. So I do keep pretty busy.
That's cool. What are you planning to do after retirement?
Staying on city council for a while, probably doing some traveling, and then getting back into my music and doing some of those things. And I'd love to get out and do some teaching. So take advantage of some of that lifelong learning and being able to go out and share that with younger folks in the area, either on a paid basis or a volunteer basis, but I'd love to get into some teaching. So as a member of the junior council, what drew your interest to become a member of the junior council?
Well, I had a teacher, and she said that she just handed out these papers and said, Auburn's looking for a junior city council. It's going to look good on your college applications. And I was like, oh, okay. And I was the only one in class that raised my hand and took the paper.
Wow.
And so I guess I got on.
Did you have any idea what it was going to be involved or how it was going to be involved? Or?
Not at all.
Okay.
It was a total surprise, total shock, but I love it.
And how do you feel about your first few council meetings that you've had?
They were actually really short, but they were sweet and short. We're having some good discussions talking about the community center and just other things like that. So,
good question on the community center. So, what do you think we need in this community for the youth for community activities?
So I was thinking that it would be really cool if the community center offered like a driving school and just offered classes like that. And so like you could study for your permit test or to get your license. I just thought that'd be a good idea, especially to appeal to like 16-year-olds or like people that are interested in that.
How about other people that are of your age bracket now that you're on the junior city council? What do they think?
About the community?
About you being on the junior city council?
I don't know, we get along pretty well.
Okay.
It's actually like a very wide variety of like age groups. We have like a 12-year-old and we have like someone that's about to turn 18, but we all get along really well.
How about some of your fellow students? Do they ask you a lot of questions about it, or are they interested in it?
Not really, like most of them don't even know. And then when I mention it, they're just like, oh, that's cool, I guess.
You have to tell them to watch television and watch the council on TV, and they get a better idea what it looks
so they
like.
Could watch me.
Good. Okay. So what a bit about you? What are your interests and what do you like to do? And
I'm starting tennis next week. That's something that's going to take up a lot of my time, and I'm really involved in my church. I'm a Sunday school teacher for 5- and 6-year-olds, and I just joined my church's media team, so I do the lighting on Sundays as well. and so I stay pretty busy.
That's really good, and that's kind of a shared interest we have, because for about 6 years over in Eastern Washington when I was there, I was involved in a prison ministry.
Oh.
And I served at Walla Walla in the penitentiary at that time. So we'd go down about 20 times a year and do services for the inmates, and every once in a while we'd actually bring our music group down and do little musical concerts there as well. So it was a pretty enriching and rewarding experience overall.
That's really cool.
Yeah.
Wait, are you do you lead worship or something in your church?
No, I haven't done that except when we had our music group. I used to do that in our music group. We used to tour around and play for various churches in various areas, but not really in a worship leader and role. But I love to do it. It's a lot of fun. So, okay. Do you see anything that the city council can do to help better serve the youth in the community?
I think with the community center, it's just a lot of really good plans, of the classes they're trying to do and just different I don't know, entertainment options, I guess. So I think they're doing a good job.
Good. Okay. And when do you graduate from school?
2016.
2016. And what are your plans after that?
Go get married.
Going to college?
Yeah, I am.
Good.
I'm going to do Running Start after
are you? Good.
next
Okay.
school year, yeah.
Very good. Any idea what you're going to do as a career?
I'm thinking about a children's, a pediatric nurse.
Very nice.
So I'm excited for that. And if that doesn't work out, I'll probably be a teacher.
Very good. Very good. Well, teachers are, in my opinion, underpaid and not totally underappreciated. Exactly. So, but it's a great career choice, and hopefully someday the teachers will be paid what they're worth, because they're the backbone of our communities. Absolutely.
Yeah.
Good. Okay. Thank you very much, Angelina, for spending time with me today, and I enjoyed our time together, and good luck to you in the future.
Thanks. You too.